Eliza's forest wander with her dog. Once upon a time, there was a village surrounded by forests and hills. In this village lived a girl named Eliza. She had green eyes and loved exploring. Every day, Eliza went on adventures with her dog, Max. Max was brown, friendly, and always joined her. They explored fields, crossed streams, and went deep into the woods. One sunny morning, as they wandered in the forest, they heard birds singing. Sunlight came through the trees, making pretty patterns on the ground. Eliza picked up a leaf and looked at its lines. "Max," she said quietly, "do you ever wonder what's beyond these trees, far from our village?" Max barked happily, even though he didn't understand her words. He loved adventures just like Eliza. As they walked on, the forest started to look different. Trees got taller, and leaves became more colorful. They found a stream with very clear water. Eliza tasted it and said, "Max, this water is different. We're in a new part of the forest." Max barked and agreed. They followed the stream, going deeper into the forest. The forest had surprises waiting for them. They discovered glowing mushrooms and fireflies that lit up the night. It felt like a fairy tale. "Max, this place is amazing," Eliza whispered. "I didn't know our forest had such wonders." Max wagged his tail happily. It was like the forest had secrets just for them. Their journey led them to a bright clearing. In the middle stood a giant oak tree with a very old book beside it. Eliza picked up the book and opened it. "What's this, Max?" Eliza wondered aloud. "A book, right here in the middle of the forest." Max wagged his tail and nudged the book gently, as if encouraging Eliza to open it. Eliza opened the book and began to read. It was a story about a brave adventurer who had explored the same forest they were in. The adventurer found hidden treasures, met magical creatures, and solved mysteries that villagers had always wondered about. Eliza's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Max, this adventurer's stories are incredible. They have seen amazing things right here in our forest." Max, sensing Eliza's joy, barked happily in agreement. Determined to follow the adventurer's footsteps, Eliza and Max decided to explore even more. Their adventures became more magical. They discovered a sparkling waterfall that flowed into a clear pool where colorful fish swam. They met friendly deer that seemed to invite them to play in the sunshine. With each new discovery, Eliza felt grateful for the beautiful world they lived in. And Max, her loyal friend, shared in the happiness of their adventures. As the days turned into weeks, Eliza and Max's adventure stories spread throughout the village. The villagers were captivated by their tales of enchanted places, hidden waterfalls, and meetings with magical creatures. Inspired by Eliza's love for exploration, some villagers joined her on her journeys. Together, they explored the forest's mysteries and grew closer to the land they called home. In their little village, a new tradition was born, a tradition of adventure, wonder, and discovery, all thanks to Eliza and Max. They showed that even in familiar places, there are always new things to find, new wonders to see, and new stories to share.